Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Epereka. Thank you so much for all your support. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to my channel. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is what I'm making today. Is a peplum blouse. I'm going to show you how to cut the lower part of it, the peplum part of it. It's kind of a box pleat peplum, but it's not normal box pleat. So because if you want to cut normal box pleat, you get straight fabric. You decide how many inches that you want to pleat. Maybe for instance that you want to pleat like 2 inches, you will times your waist measurement by 2. Or if you want to pleat 3 inches, you times your waist measurement by 3. Then you get straight fabric. But the one I'm making today is the type you will cut like 360 degree peplum. You will add some inches to pleat. The full length of the blouse is 24.5 inches. So to know how many inches that you cut, because it's a layered one, it's 2-step, you will minus your full length of the blouse from your half length. From shoulder to half length is 17 inches, which is this one. Then the full length of the blouse is 24.5 inches. 17 minus 24.5 is 7 inches. Then I'll add 1 inch seam allowance to it, half inch to turn it with lining on the lower part and half inch to join it to the upper part, which is 8.5 inches. So the long peplum will be 8.5 inches. Then the one on top, the short one will be maybe minus 3 inches or 2.5. The one that will be on top will be 5 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance 6 inches. The long one is 7.5 plus 1 inch seam allowance 8.5. I'll cut 6 inches, but I'll get her waist radius to cut it. Her waist measurement is 42 plus I added 2 inches for seam allowance, which is 44. But I've already cut everything before I decided to make video. This is the one of 7.5 after sewing, and this one is 6 inches, 5 inches after sewing. So I added 2 inches to her waist measurement, which is 42 plus 2 is 44. So if you want to pleat, you will decide how many inches that you want to pleat. If you want to pleat 2 inches or 2.5, and you times it by, maybe if you want to pleat 2 inches, you times it by 2. Or if you want to pleat at 3 inches, you times it by 3. But I will just cut times 3 of her waist measurement. But I'm going to pleat only on the dart and the line. So her waist is 44. 44 divided by 6.28 is 7 inches. 7 plus 6 inches, the length of the peplum that I want to cut, is 13 inches. So I'm going to cut. So 13 inches. You will measure 13 inches on this side. This is 13 inches, 13.5. And on this side also, you will fold it into 2. And on this side also, you will measure 13 inches. It's more than that. Let me just make it into 2. It's more than 13 inches though. So I will now mark 7 inches. Then the length, 6 inches. Thirteen inches. 13 inches. 13 inches. 13 inches. So this is the length of the peplum, and this is the waist radius. So I'm going to cut it. So this is what I have. for the upper part, but I'm going to cut another 2 to make it 3. So this is what we have. So I'm going to cut 3 of these for the upper part and 3 for the lower part, but the lower part one will be 8.5 inches. I'll cut 8.5 inches into 3 for the long one. So this is what we have. I'll cut it. So I'll cut 2 more. I'll cut 2 more and join it together. So I'll have 3 for upper part. The lower part, which is the 8.5 inches, I'll cut 3 also and join them together, both lining and the main fabric. But I'm not going to cut another one because I've already cut it. So now what I'm going to do, this is the one of 6 inches, 5 inches after sewing. So what I join them together, the 3 I join it together. So what I'll do next, I also join the lining together. That's the same way I did this one. So what I'll do is to put them together. This way, because I want to join this lining to this. The 3 peplum, I joined them together. The lining, I did the same. So this is the right side of the fabric. I'll put it this way, right side of the fabric, do this. I need crinoline or horsehair braid to do this. So, right side, then I'll put this way. So I'll go and sew on it. After that, I will now turn it and top stitch on the lining. After sewing it together, I will notch. Then I will turn it and top stitch on the lining side. I've joined them together. After that, I top stitched. I put the seam on this side and top stitched this way. So what I'll do next is to turn it this way and sew this side. I've done the same on this side. So, but I'll show you how to pleat it because of time. After I'll do that. So I'll pleat only on the dart and side seam. So I'll put the blouse this way. Zip allowance. I'll pleat one towards zip allowance side. I'll pin it. Then this is a dart. I'll pleat on the dart. I'll pleat so that it will be the same with the dart. I'll pleat another one to meet this one on the dart line, to align with the dart. You can measure it if you want. So this one is the same line with the dart, and one towards the zip allowance side. This is zip allowance. So, but if you want, you can measure it. If you want to pleat 3 inches, you will measure 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, then before you will now start pleating it. So I've pleated it. I use gather stitches to hold the pleat. So what I'll do next is to put the two together. I'll join these two together on the waistline with gather stitches. I've joined the two together with gather stitches on the waistline. So what I'll do next is to fix the upper part and the lower part together. to fit the upper part and the lower part together. So I will turn it like this, right side facing each other. So I'll pin it because I want the dart to be on the pleat. I pleated one on the center front. I'll do it and show you. So I've joined the upper part and the lower part together. So what I'll do next is to go and fix the zip and tidy up. It's like I rushed this video. It's only because I was trying to meet up with her time, and I also want to use her fabric to show you how to make this kind of peplum. So, but I didn't measure how many inches that I pleat, but I pleated everything in. Pleat and pin after doing it, after pleating. If you don't like it, you lose it and pleat again. Then on the zip line, I pleated one towards the zip line. On the other zip side, I pleated one towards the zip line. Then all the pleats, all the darts, 2 darts at the front, 2 darts at the back, 2 center, 2 side seam, and 1 on the center front. So I pleated them this way and this way for 1 dart, another side seam, another dart, center front, please another dart, side seam, back dart, and towards zip allowance. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumb up. Thank you.